Sawubona Siluthuhle TV sikubingelele kanti-ke njengamanje sikwephathele-ke udaba okuyilona-ke oluthela sosumsindo lashiya abantu behlukahlukene ngemibono ezinkundleni zokuxhumana. Lolu daba-ke lilandela emveni kokuba kubonakale iqembu le-DA lenze i-advert nalapho khona kwi-advert yalo bese kuvela-ke kushiswa-ke iflag leNingizimu Afrika, kanti abantu abaningi babese beshiya imibono yabo, abanye befisa sengazuthi engathi ibingakhishwa nakuma-ballots ingavotelwa. Kanti-ke sophinde sikwethulele-ke inkulumo kaMengameli ephawula naye ngalesi sigameko. Uma ngabe uyaqala ukungena ku-YouTube channel yethu, ungakhohlwa ukwenza okulungileyo uncofoza subscribe button ukuze siqhubeke sikwethulele zonke ezingenayo.
With regard to the burning of the flag, even in a political advert, that is treasonous. The flag of our country is a sacred article in the life of our country. It is that flag that unites all of us. It is despicable that a political party can, as it seeks to express itself, go and burn the symbol of our unity, the symbol of our existence as a nation. And I think it is treasonous because anybody, particularly an organization that does something like that for political expediency, should really be ashamed of themselves, because it is the most despicable political act that anyone can embark upon, particularly when they are campaigning for votes, because you're voting now for a party that wants to destroy South Africa, that wants to destroy the symbol that unites all of us. And what will you be voting for? Because all we want is to build South Africa, to unite the people of South Africa around the flag. People die for the flag of a nation. People, they rally around the flag of a nation. And it is about us. And so they are destroying that unity, that identity that we all have. So it is totally unacceptable.